Jiya, welcome to Jiya's Little World. I'm going to show you how to make rain cloud at home. Fantastic, right? By using this, we need shaving gel and shaving cream. Let's start. All we need is shaving cream, shaving gel, food color, water, jar and container. First we have to pour the water into the jar. Now I'm going to add the shaving gel into the jar. You can do it by yourself and you can take your parents' help. I'm going to take my mom's help. Mama, can you help me?
Sure.
It came up again. It looks the bluest cloud I ever had in my own life. Now I'm gonna add the blue food coloring over the dot. It goes. Boom, boom. Looks like a flood. Floody rain. I'm going to do with the shaving cream. I'm going to pour the water. I'm going to shake. Before you pour the shaving cream, you have to shake it. Don't fill the container with too much water. Keep some space for shaving cream. Take some water and add some few drops of food color. I have a water dropper. I'm gonna add some few drops under cloud. Squish it little bit and then it goes up. Now I'm gonna add very nice. It's incredible. And fantastic. And cool. And lovely. Very lovely. So lovely. So nice. So lovely. So I'm gonna add some more droppings. I just call droppings because it's dropping time. Droppy, droppy, dopper, 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 dopper. When clouds get heavy, rain will come. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.